Chapter 1. Installing the program and becoming familiar with it. In this chapter, we will learn how to download the trade platform into our computer. Also, we'll become familiar with the program's tool menu. Installing the program. First, download the program from the website. Immediately after downloading the program, you should operate the installation file. On the first screen, choose the desired installation language and then click Next. Make sure to read the user license, then check to confirm that you agree to the terms of use, and then click Next again to continue on to the installation process. Once the installation has been completed, a window will open allowing you to open a demo account. Fill out all of your personal details, approve receipt of the newsletters, and then click Next. In the next window, select the demo server and then click Next again. Once this process is finished, you will automatically get an account number and a code that will show up as a default on the platform. We recommend that you write down all the important details and keep them for your records. Changing the language. If you wish to change the language, click in the View menu and then in Languages, find and select the appropriate and desired language. You should close the program and then restart it for the desired language to be updated. Opening an additional account. To open an additional account, click on the File menu and then select Open an account. Fill in the amount you wish to practice with, approve receipt of newsletters, and then click Next. Select the demo server and click Next and Finish. To remove an existing account, open the Navigator window and under the list of accounts, right-click on the account you wish to remove and then select Delete from the menu, and then make sure to confirm the omission. Login. If you've opened several accounts, make sure to click on the File menu and then select Login to select the desired account. Make sure to enter your password and the list of servers from the drop-down menu. To make sure you're connected, check the connection status on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. If the status is red, you might not be connected to the internet or the password might be incorrect, in which case you won't be able to trade. You should try and reconnect again. Market Watch window. To open the Market Watch window, click on the Market Watch button from the Icons menu. To see all types of pairs which you can trade with, place the cursor above the Market Watch window, right-click, and select Show All. If you want to remove pairs and keep only the relevant pairs, highlight the pair you wish to remove, right-click, and then select Hide on the relevant pair, or press Delete on your keyboard. Opening a new chart. There are two ways to open a new chart window. 1. Click the New Chart button and select the desired chart. The chart will open in a new window. On the bottom of the chart, a tab will appear with the names of the pairs and the candle time frames on it. Another way is to use the Market Watch window. When it's open, use the mouse to drag the desired pair directly onto the chart window. You can arrange the charts automatically by choosing the desired arrangement from the window menu. To switch charts, click on the tab below. Double-clicking on the tab will enlarge or reduce the chart. To close a chart, right-click on the tab button and select Close.